Inhale, sweep the arms, bend the knees, chair pose. Exhale, down, forward fold. Inhale, find your flat back, hands to shins. Exhale, step back to your high plank. Lower down, knees, chin, chest. Up to low cobra. Exhale, bending the knees through child's pose, lift up to downward facing dog. Inhale, step the right foot forward, come up to a high lunge, back heel is off the mat. Exhale, lower down, knees, chin, chest. Come up to a low cobra. Exhale, back through to your downward facing dog. Left side, inhale, left foot steps forward, come back to that high lunge, hips are square. Exhale, lower down, again, knees, chin, chest. Inhale up to low cobra. Exhale through to downward facing dog. Breathing here. Lift the tailbone a little bit higher. Feel free to take the heels off of the mat, bending the knees if you need to. Relax the face, relax the shoulders. Soften the knees, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, hands to shins. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, dip and rise, Utkatasana. Exhale, hands to heart, Samastiti.